Are you also waiting for your first wrinkle to start using an active regimen? Prevention is always easier than repair. Start early in your late 20s with actives like retinol, peptides, hyaluronic acid to protect against environmental damage and slow down the effects of aging. That's when this advanced and skin repairing formula can help. Obril Gold Skin Serum from Brinton is infused with a blend of retinol, hyaluronic acid, kojic acid, niacinamide, peptides and unique natural extracts in one formula that helps you to deal with early signs of aging like fine lines, hyperpigmentation, photo damage, uneven skin tone, tanning and acne marks for that luminous and younger looking skin. I have used this for my post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and seen great results. Now let's understand what each ingredient does. Retinol increases the cell proliferation to effectively reduce fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate your skin. Kojic acid helps prevent your skin from forming tyrosinase, which is an enzyme that helps create skin pigment, melanin. As a result, it fades dark spots on your skin. Niacinamide to maintain skin health. It's also been shown to make your skin stronger, smoother and brighter. Peptides have anti-aging, barrier supporting, hydrating and collagen stimulating properties. So just one pump at night will help you on a skin transformative journey. It's suitable for all skin types. Try yourself out and thank me later. Don't forget to follow me for more information on innovative products like these. Thanks for watching. Bye.